Hi everybody, it's Trace. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here. I am all over the place, to be honest. My my daughter is going to be moving into college, into her dorms soon, like in 2 days. And so we're just picking up stuff, odds and ends and things like that. And I've been to $5 or $6 trees to find not containers, but like these jars or containers for her body wash and stuff. Because I could have bought her small versions of what she normally uses, but we bought the big containers anyway. That's TMI. I'm sorry. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found. Let me show you these. And I never saw them before. Mailers. I couldn't believe it. I think somebody had shared it on their channel at one time, but I never came across them. I usually get these. I normally get these, the 6x9 2-pack, and I usually get those. And I'm like, okay, well, I went into this $1 Tree, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I grabbed 2 of the silver. Now, it is like iridescent. It is so cool, and I've never seen these in my life. To be honest, I've never seen them. And then, so this is silver, and then here's the gold, and then my favorite is pink. I had to get the pink one. I was like, oh my gosh. And then they have the bigger size, what size is that? I didn't get them because they're too big. I think they had the 8.5 by 11. I was like, oh my god. Because I've seen it on people's hauls and I just never picked it up. So, okay, another craft that was for like Happy Mail and stuff like that. Another thing that I found at this one, I went to so many. I know now which ones I should be going to, not the ones that I've been going to this whole time. But I found these crochet sets. Now I bought 2 of this butterfly one because I'll let you know about this one in a second. There was a unicorn one that my daughter picked up. She wanted that one. She wanted to try and crochet it. I'm like, okay, it might be hard. Well, it does says ages 12 and up, so she might be able to do it. There was a seahorse, which I'm thinking now I should have got that too. A bunny and this butterfly. At first I thought it was a bumblebee. Then my daughter goes, "No, Mom, it's a butterfly." And I'm like, oh, she's so adorable. So I'm going to open this up with you all because I don't know what's in it. So it's pretty puffy. And it comes with the crochet hook and the needle, which I'm thinking that's pretty awesome. So let's see what's in here. I don't think they have the contents now. That it said on the packaging, but nope, it doesn't. So excuse for the crinkling. I want to dive in. So it comes with that. Oh, okay. So it does come with these 2 colors, and then there's the pink. There's the pink and the black. Packaging. And then here is the directions, and here is the needle. Yeah, it's plastic. It's a plastic crochet hook. Let me open this up. Let's see what's the, must be really tiny. So here's the crochet hook, and then here's the here is the needle. Okay. I have a ton of needles, so I'm not worried about that. But since my daughter is going to try her hand on it, I thought I'd look into it and see for sure. So here are the directions. And yeah, it tells you how to make it. Oh, cute. Okay. Straight stitch, slip stitch, single crochet. Ooh, back loops, front loops tells you what are they. It shows you all the stitching, and then here is the directions, and it gives you, in this pattern you will crochet in the round. Working in the round, the work must not be turned after finishing the round, but joined with a slip stitch in the starting chain. Each round starts with a starting chain. Okay. And it gets the body and the head and the antennas. Oh, upper wing, lower wing. Oh, it even does the arm. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, okay. So extra tools and necessities, scissors and pins. Doesn't actually show you. This is in a different language. Maybe it's in French, or I think it's in French. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be cute. Oh my gosh. Isn't she adorable? I just think that she's just so cute. Okay. Got it. Okay. So I'm going to try my hand in making this butterfly, and then you stuff it with this. Let's see. I want to see what kind of film this is. Oh, it's really soft. Okay, it's really soft film. Okay, that's perfect. Love it. Love, love, love. And I'm not going to be able to put it in this bag. Okay. Okay. So wish me luck. I have so many projects going on. I wanted to share. I did make, which I haven't finished. Okay, so that is what I found at the Dollar Tree. And I just have to share that with you all. Okay, so I have several of these Polaroid round adhesive labels that I've had in my stash for many years. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I would pick up a pack. And it comes with, I forget, I think it's 8 sheets, 20 labels per sheet. Yeah, 20 times 8 is 160. So it comes with 8 sheets, and you get 20 labels. And I inked up, let me show you, I'll show you what it looks like. without it. So it's just a sheet of stickers, to be honest. And okay, do you see them? And all you do, you're supposed to run it through your printer and print out these labels that I believe you can see. They say, for a template, please go to this link. There's a link on here that you can customize your labels. Well, I'm customizing my labels with ink and stamps from my stash to kind of go and make it vintage. And I just love how they look. I haven't finished them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, if I'm going to just add them to packaging, or am I going to make embellishments with them? But isn't that cool? I just think that's really cool, and I just used a bunch of stamps that I had in my stash and just stamped on at where these circles are. Then I used my deco stamp and I just kind of filled in the blanks, all over. So I love how those, so that is a project that I'm sort of working on, that I haven't completed. So my brain goes all over the place. I must have ADHD or something. I can't stay and focus on one project. Sometimes I can when I have an idea and I want to do it, then I'm focused, but not really. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.